Hello everyone, and welcome to my Minecraft Buildcraft factory thing I've made. This is a lot like the other one in my other video, but the main difference is that you can select the quantity of the things you want to make. So let's start with the control panel thing here. So these are all the things you can make. Iron tools, diamond tools, bucket and torches. This is the input for where you want to put all the iron and diamonds. And sticks, so you throw it in there. And then it will sort itself into the right places. And this is the clock here, which will make it go, make the whole machine start. And this is the output chest here. Okay, so one of the main building blocks is the counter. So I'll just show you how it works first. You got up, down, reset, and set all of them. So just down tonight. I want to go up, go to 6, to go up, go to 7, go down, reset, go to 0, and set all. I'll go to 9. Okay, so I'll set it to a few for later. The button presses aren't really accurate with that. Okay, so this works by using the R small latch conditional array. I think that's the whole name. Created by Minecraft Addict. It's really useful and really cool. Well, I don't know if it's cool, but it's a good thing for counting stuff, especially. So basically, if you provide an input here, if you switch it on, it will just add one to here. So it will go to 3. I know the 3 torches are already on, but you start at 0. This basically just works by setting an RSNL latch based on whether the one before it is set on as well, and that will be able to. But this one won't be able to because the one before it isn't set on. That's just the basic principle of it. You can also subtract from it and reset them all and set them all. So to get it onto here, you have to go through a few steps. So first of all, obviously we don't want loads of them on, because 2 of them would be a problem. Say if we want to set 2, if we want to set 2, we also got 1 on as well. And so that'll mess up the wiring at the back. I'll just show you the back quickly. So this just has the way it works is with NOT gates. So if I wanted to make 2, the ones on, and you can see the different segments from the different coloured wool. If I want to make 2, these ones would have to be off. So I got NOT gate there. These ones would have to be off. So I put the 2 there. That's not actually NOT gate, that just goes. Never mind. So 2 there and 2 there, and so that those 2 will set this one off and this one off, and then it will create the 2. So they're all set on by default. But you can't have many of them on at one time, otherwise it'll just mess up the wiring in the back. So I've created an array of XOR gates, and these basically just select one number, basically because there's a difference between 2 and 3. And so that will make 2 switch on, because the one next to it is off as well. So that's basically the counting part of it, and you can select the quantity from there. So for the timing aspect thing, I've got these timers set up. They're designed by Minecraft Addict as well. They're really useful as well. These basically I'll show it actually. So I set it to quite a long one so you can actually see it. 6, 7. Okay, that'll do. So nothing's on at the moment, and we can just clock it. So this will go to 7. And the way this works is basically it goes around, and then it's set off again. And when it reaches there, it's switched off. So this is just a good way of doubling the length of the repeaters, because I had got one at the start which I just made using repeaters just in a line, and you can see here this is only for the number 2. I mean, it got so much already, so I had to use something like a proper timer. Okay, and yeah, so that's just basically how the time works. Okay, so like make an iron sword at the moment. Iron sword. And okay, so at the back you can see that this goes to, this sets to 602. What this will do is will make it, because you need 2 bars for an iron sword, this will make it go around a timer twice, and this goes to the demultiplex, so I'll show that later. Basically, it has 602 before, it sets this here, 600, 6002 or whatever, sets all of these gates, well, not gates, but sets all of these pistons forward and makes the signal can go through here now. So this will basically make it go around the length of, yeah, so it will go around here, and then it will go around here as well, and because obviously you need it to go around twice, because you need 2 bars for an iron sword. And so yeah, that will go through here, and then this thing here will switch when it receives current here. It will switch. Like the piston will go forwards, but no, there will be no signal here. But when it switches off, this will switch on for like a second or something. And this basically means that it's sequential, and so it will go around here, and then it will go around here. And this just means that we can, lengthen it by twice the time you want. And this means that they won't be on at the same time, because that would just be pointless. So yeah, so this just sets the 570 will go to the clock actually. This sets the clock to go, and yeah, so this will push this forward, and the clock will go around them. And this will go to the demultiplexer here. I think it's an 8-bit demultiplexer, and this basically just means that there's one input, and this thing here will select which output it goes to, and I call it set to go to here. Basically the way it works is just we've got 1-bit demultiplexer here, and we've got the select bit here. So by default it will go to the left, but if that is set on, if that sets it on, it will go forwards. And yeah, there's another one here, and this is set. Yeah, so this is on, and it will go through here to 402, and then this will go to here, 402, and it will just clock this, and so the iron will come onto here, go into the automatic crafting table. Show me one of them. And it will go through here into the output box, and that's basically it in essence. So I'll just show you all now. We'll create 7. Let's go in through here, and I'll just show you going off. No, actually I can't be bothered. So that will just go through twice, go through two of the timers. And you can see this thing here, the demultiplexer. It's the clock signal is just going through here and to this one, and then to here where it's making iron go out, and into the crafting table where it's making the swords. So I need to want 7. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. Hopefully there aren't any more. Yeah, good. So yeah, that's it basically. I don't think you can really implement this into your game. It's a bit too big, I think. Yeah, so I'll put the link in for the download in the description. But you obviously will need the Buildcraft mod and Wireless Redstone for it to work. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and you liked it or whatever. I mean, not that you liked it, but I don't want to push you in. That's loads of likes, but do you actually liked it? Never mind. Okay, bye.